Welcome back to online computer class, children. Hope you all must have done the exercises that I have given to you in the previous class. Now it's time to do the exercise and tell you the answers. Okay. So the first one is convert the following decimal numbers into binary numbers. So the first question is 68. 68 is the decimal number that you want to convert in. The second question is you have to convert 987 decimal number to its equivalent binary number, and the answer is 4 times 1 0 double 1 0 double 1 base 2. The third one is 657. So the number will be converted to binary and it will come 10 100 1 1. So please check the answers. Now the second exercise, convert the following binary numbers into decimal numbers. The first binary number is 10011 and the answer is 11. This is 11 in decimal. The second one is 1001110 binary number and the equivalent decimal number is 38. The third one is 10101 and after conversion it comes 21 in decimal number. Now the third one is perform binary addition on the following. So you can see on the screen I have already done. The first one is 10101 in binary and 00111 in binary. After addition it comes 11100. And children, you can see this line also. In this I have converted 10101 in decimal and it comes 21. 111 is equivalent to 7 in decimal and 11100 it is equivalent to 28 in decimal number. So in this way you can tally the answers, means you can cross check the answers whether whatever you have done is true or it is correct or not. Like 21 plus 7 equivalent to 28 in decimal. In the same way, the second one also I have done this. You can tally the answer. It is 10011111010, and in third one 1101 plus 1001, the answer becomes 1010110. Now in the next exercise, it is you have to do the subtraction. That is, the first number is 10011 minus 01010. So after subtraction, the answer becomes 1001. And if you want to cross check, just convert 10011 to its equivalent decimal number. It comes 19. And the second number is 1010. It is 10 means 10 in decimal, and after performing the subtraction the answer is 9, and that is 1001 in binary. In this way you can cross check your answer. The second one, 11001001 and 11001110. The answer becomes 110011 in binary. And if you want to convert it to decimal and check the answer, the first number is 201, the second number is 102, and after subtraction the answer becomes 99. Now the third one, it is very simple. 111 minus 110, 111 minus 001, it comes 110. So 111 in decimal is 7 and 001 in decimal is 1, and after subtraction it becomes 6. Now the next one is to do the multiplication of binary numbers. In multiplication, the first one is 101 multiplied by 011. It becomes 4 times 1 in binary. That is, in decimal, if you want to convert it to decimal, the 101 is equivalent to 5 and 11 is 3, and after multiplication 5 and 3, the product is 15. The second one is 1011 multiplied by 101. It becomes 110111, and you can tally this in this way. 11 into 5 becomes 55 in decimal number. Now the third one is 101010 multiplied by 1011, and the answer becomes 11100011 in decimal. And if you want to cross check, the numbers are 42 and 11. After multiplication, the product becomes 462. And now the last exercise is divide these binary numbers. It is binary division. In the same way, you can divide the numbers. The first one is 1111, and it is divided by 11. The answer becomes 101. In its decimal equivalent, the numbers are 15 and 3, and the answer becomes 5. The second one is 111001 divided by 101, and the answer becomes 1011 in binary. And in this question, there is a remainder, that is 10. Means if you are converting first binary number to decimal, the equivalent decimal number is 57, and 101 in decimal it comes 5, and whenever you will divide 57 by 5, the answer becomes 11, and the remainder will be 2. Means 57 divided by 5, the quotient is 11 and remainder becomes 2. And in the same way, in binary numbers also, the quotient becomes 1011 and the remainder is 10. Now in the third one, the first number is divided by the second number, the answer becomes 10110, and in this also the remainder becomes 101 in binary. And the number, when it is converted to decimal, the number is 511, and the second number is 11, and when the first number, that is 511, is divided by the second number, the answer becomes 46. Means quotient is 46 and the remainder is 5. So this is all. I have done all the exercises. Now children, I hope all the concepts of binary arithmetic and binary number operations are clear to all of you, and it's your homework to read the chapter once again, do all the exercises once again, do all the binary operations, number conversion by taking different numbers and practice it. Also learn the question answers. So that's all for this exercise, and very soon I will come again with another chapter. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.